Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed, not available on the application of Tinder. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we're scrolling down and you will find this window of Tinder, and you can click here. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder and then you can update your app. So please don't forget